Historical information. It is believed that once upon a time the Chhindwara district was full of chind, date palm, trees, and the place was named Chhindwada. Vada means place. There is also another story that because of the population of lions, in Hindi it is called Singh, it was considered that making entry into this district is akin to passing through the entrance of lion's den. Hence it was called Singhwara, means through the entrance of lion. In due course of time it became Chhindwara. History records the place from the time of the rule of Bhakt Bulund king, whose kingdom was spread over the Satpura range of hills, and it is believed that his rule was up to the 3rd century. One ancient plaque, belonging to Rashtrakud dynasty, found in Nilkant village. This dynasty ruled up to the 7th century. Then came the Gondwana dynasty which ruled the area with Devgarh as the capital. King Jatav of Gond community has built the Devgarh fort. Bhakt Bulund king was most powerful in the dynasty and he has adopted Muslim religion during the rule of Emperor Aurangzeb. Later the power has changed many hands and finally Maratha rule ended in 1803. On 17 September 1803, East India Company had taken over this kingdom by defeating Raghuji II, starting the British rule. After independence, Nagpur was made the capital of Chhindwara district, and on 1st November 1956 this district was reconstituted with Chhindwara as the capital. Freedom moments. Some of the events during the freedom struggle are mentioned below. The first freedom movement in this district has started in 1857 to 58 with the arrival of Tansha Tope. As a part of national awareness movement, Dr. B.S. Gunj and Dada Saheb Khapre visited this place on 11 May 1906. The people of Chhindwara participated in fight against Rowlatt Act. Non-cooperation movement, fight against Simon Commission, Jhanda Satyagraha, Jungle Satyagraha, Quit India movement, Dhanora Kand, etc. Mahatma Gandhi visited this place on 6 January 1921. P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru visited on 31 December 1936 and Sarojini Naidu on 18 April 1922. The people who laid down their life during the freedom struggle include Shri Chain Shah, Jagirdar of Sonpur, Shri Thakur Rajba Shah, Jagirdar, Partapagad, and Shri Mahavir Singh, Jagirdar, Harakot, Sarvashri Badal Bhai, Pagra, Swami Shyamanand, Amravara, Rajaram Shukla, Chhindwara, Atul Rahman, Chhindwara, Nathu Lakshman Gosai, Sausar, Vaman Rao Patel, Vanora. Out of the 138 freedom fighters of Chhindwara region, the names of late Sarvashri Vishwanath Salpekar, Arjun Singh Sisodia, Gulab Singh Chaudhary, K.G. Rekhte, Premchand Jain, Ramchand Bhai Shah, R.K. Haldulkar, Pilaji Shri Khande, Suran Prasad Singare, Suraj Prasad Madhuria, Jagmohan Lal Srivastav, Chunni Lal Rai, Mahadev Rao Khatorkar, Chotelal Chavre, Tukaram Thosre, Govind Ram Trivedi, Mahadev Ghote, Durga Prasad Mishra, Har Prasad Sharma, Shiv Kumar Shukla, Chokhelal Mandhata, Manik Rao, Chaure, Vinshambharnath Pandey, Ramnivas Vyas, Guru Prasad Srivastav, Dayal Malviya, Prahlad Bavse, Satyavati Bai, Jairam Verma and so on are included.